If you need to move a folder in Google Drive into another folder, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to organize your Google Drive so everything stays neat, easy to find, and properly sorted. This is a super useful skill whether you're managing personal files, school documents, or work projects. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Drive homepage, look over to the left side and click on My Drive. This is where all of your main files and folders are stored, and it's the best place to start when you want to reorganize things. Next, find the folder you want to move. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar if you have a lot of items in your drive. When you locate the folder, right-click on it to open the menu. In that menu, choose Organize. This option is what lets you change where the folder is stored without deleting anything. After that, click Move. Google Drive will now show you a folder selection window. This is where you choose the destination folder, meaning the folder you want to move your current folder into. Browse through your Drive folders, select the correct destination folder, and make sure it's the one you want before continuing. Once you've chosen the destination, click Move again to confirm, and that's it. Your folder has now been moved into another folder in Google Drive. It's a simple process, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time and help keep your files organized much more efficiently. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.